Welcome to this complete Fairbanks, Alaska travel guide. Nestled in the heart of the last frontier, Fairbanks is a sparkling gem of the north. With a population just shy of 35,000, this city is the perfect blend of untouched wilderness and vibrant cultural heritage. Perched on the brink of the Arctic Circle, Fairbanks is a gateway to the great Alaskan wilderness where the midnight sun shines in summer and the northern lights dance in winter. But Fairbanks is more than just its natural beauty, it's a cultural melting pot, rich in history and tradition. From the gold rush era to the indigenous tribes that have called this land home for thousands of years, Fairbanks is a place where past and present coexist in harmony. It's a city that celebrates its heritage while embracing the future, making it a must-see destination for any travel enthusiast. So pack your bags and let's explore the wonders of Fairbanks together. Our first stop is the Chena Hot Springs, famous for its healing mineral waters. A place steeped in history, these hot springs have been a haven of healing for over a century, known for their therapeutic effects on the body and soul. The springs are open year-round, offering a unique experience to its visitors. Imagine this, soaking in warm, healing waters while the snow gently falls around you. It's a stark contrast, isn't it? The heat from the springs and the chill from the snow. But that's what makes it so special. It's a dance between the elements, a balance of fire and ice wrapped in the serenity of Alaska's wilderness. The Chena Hot Springs aren't just a place to unwind. They're a testament to the incredible natural beauty of Alaska and the soothing, rejuvenating power of its landscape. A dip in these springs is a perfect way to relax after a long day of exploring. Next on our list is the mesmerizing Aurora Borealis, a sight that will leave you spellbound. This ethereal light show, also known as the Northern Lights, is nature's grandest spectacle, a dance of luminous colors across the night sky. Fairbanks, Alaska, is one of the best places on Earth to witness this celestial marvel. The prime viewing season extends from late August to early April, when the long, dark nights serve as the perfect canvas for the aurora's vibrant hues. The most spectacular displays often occur around midnight, but don't let that deter you. The aurora can make an appearance at any hour after sunset. To escape the city lights and get the best views, head to locations like Cleary Summit or Chena Lakes. And for that perfect photograph, a tripod is your best friend. Set your camera to a long exposure and let the Northern Lights paint their masterpiece. Witnessing this celestial ballet is truly a once-in-a-lifetime experience. Now, let's embark on the Riverboat Discovery Cruise, a journey into the heart of Alaska's history and culture. We set sail on the Chena River, the waterway that has been a lifeline for the native Alaskan people for generations. Our first stop is a native Alaskan village where we get a glimpse of the traditions and customs that have been passed down through the ages. From there, we move on to a sled dog demonstration, a true testament to the resilience and spirit of these magnificent animals. The dog's strength and stamina are the stuff of legends, and this riveting display brings those stories to life. Our final highlight is the Athabascan Fish Camp, where we learn about the vital role of fishing in the Alaskan lifestyle. It's a fascinating exploration of the intricate relationship between the Alaskan people and their environment. This cruise offers a unique window into the Alaskan way of life. Let's get up close and personal with some of Alaska's most iconic animals at the Running Reindeer Ranch. Imagine strolling through a serene Alaskan forest, the crunch of snow under your boots, the crisp, clean air filling your lungs. Suddenly, you're not alone. A herd of reindeer have joined your expedition, their graceful steps echoing your own. At Running Reindeer Ranch, this isn't a dream, it's an everyday reality. Here you'll learn about the fascinating biology of these majestic creatures, uncovering secrets of their survival in the harsh Arctic conditions. You'll also delve into their history, understanding their significant role in Alaskan culture and folklore. But the magic doesn't stop there. The ranch offers you the unique opportunity to feed and pet the reindeer. Feel the warmth of their breath on your hand, the softness of their fur under your touch. It's an intimate encounter with nature that few places in the world can offer. This is truly an unforgettable experience that brings you closer to the magic of Alaska's wildlife. Our next stop is the University of Alaska Museum of the North, a treasure trove of Alaskan history and culture. This remarkable institution houses more than 1 million historical artifacts and pieces of art, each one telling a unique story of the Alaskan experience. Venture into the past as you explore exhibits showcasing an array of Alaskan natural history, from ancient mammoth fossils to displays of the diverse wildlife that call this region home. Each exhibit is a testament to the beauty and resilience of Alaska's natural world. But it's not just nature on display here. The museum plays a critical role in preserving Alaskan heritage, with collections that highlight the rich tapestry of indigenous cultures. From intricate native crafts to ceremonial artifacts, these pieces offer a profound insight into the traditions and history of Alaska's original inhabitants. This museum is a must-visit for anyone interested in delving deeper into Alaska's rich cultural tapestry. Let's take a walk on the wild side at Creamer's Field Migratory Waterfowl Refuge. Nestled in the heart of Fairbanks, this refuge is a haven for more than 100 species of birds. From the majestic sandhill cranes to the agile northern harriers, it's a symphony of chirps, squawks, and songs that fill the air. The refuge isn't just for the birds, though. It's a sanctuary for us humans too, offering picturesque walking trails that meander through the refuge's 2,000 acres. Each step taken is an opportunity to connect with nature and admire the dance of the birds above. But the refuge isn't just a pretty face. It plays a crucial role in bird conservation, providing a safe rest stop for migratory birds on their long journeys. This refuge, in essence, is a testament to our commitment to preserving the beauty of the natural world. This refuge is a paradise for bird watchers and nature enthusiasts alike. Experience the magic of ice at one of Fairbanks' ice sculpting competitions. In the heart of Alaska, ice isn't just a part of the landscape, it's a canvas for creativity. Ice sculpting in Fairbanks has a rich history dating back decades. It's a cherished tradition, a testament to the resilience of the people who call this icy paradise home. Imagine this, a block of ice as tall as an adult man transformed into a stunning work of art. The process is nothing short of magical. It begins with a vision, a design sketched on paper. Then come the tools, chainsaws, chisels, even irons. Bit by bit, the ice is chiseled away, revealing the masterpiece within. These competitions are a spectacle, attracting both local and international artists. The creations range from intricate, life-sized animals to fantastical creatures straight out of fairy tales. Regardless of the theme, each sculpture is a marvel to behold, glowing under the northern lights. These icy masterpieces are a testament to the creativity and resilience of the Alaskan people. Our next stop is the Morris Thompson Cultural and Visitors Center, the gateway to Fairbanks. This remarkable facility is more than just a visitors center, it's a cultural treasure trove. It serves as a central hub for travelers, providing a wealth of resources and information to help you navigate the city and surrounding areas. But it's not just about the practicalities. The center is a showcase of Alaskan culture and history, with exhibits that take you on a journey through time. From the ancient traditions of the indigenous tribes to the rush of the gold miners, every corner of the center tells a story. And let's not forget the stunning views. Positioned beautifully along the Chena River, the center offers a picturesque backdrop that perfectly captures the essence of this Alaskan city. So, whether you're seeking a deeper understanding of Alaskan heritage or simply need a map, the Morris Thompson Cultural and Visitors Center has you covered. The center is a great starting point for your Fairbanks adventure. Let's step back in time at Pioneer Park, Fairbanks' historical theme park. This 44-acre city park is a treasure trove of history, culture, and fun. As we stroll through the park, we're greeted by a collection of historic buildings, each with its own unique story to tell. From the old gold rush town to the native Alaskan village, it's like stepping back into the past. Now, who fancies a ride on a vintage carousel? This charming ride is over 100 years old and still delights visitors of all ages. But that's not all. Pioneer Park is a hub of family-friendly activities. From miniature golf to train rides, there's something for everyone. And don't forget to check out the variety of shops, restaurants, and museums within the park. Each offers its own unique glimpse into Alaskan history and culture. Pioneer Park offers a fun and educational peek into Alaska's past. Last but not least, let's embark on an exhilarating dog sledding tour. There's a sense of unadulterated joy that comes from gliding over the glistening snow, led by a team of tireless huskies. You, wrapped snug in your parka, are part of a tradition that stretches back centuries, as integral to the Alaskan narrative as the Northern Lights themselves. Dog sledding was once the primary mode of winter transportation for the indigenous peoples of Alaska, a testament to their resilience and resourcefulness in the face of a harsh climate. Today, it stands as a testament to that enduring spirit, a thrilling blend of history and adventure. And it's not just about the ride. You'll also have the opportunity to meet and interact with the dogs themselves, these incredible athletes of the snow. Learn about their training, their character, and their unyielding spirit. This thrilling adventure is the perfect way to cap off your Fairbanks journey. And there you have it, a guide to the top 10 things to do in Fairbanks, Alaska. From the soothing warmth of Chena Hot Springs to the mesmerizing dance of the Aurora Borealis, we've journeyed through the heart of this northern gem. We've cruised along the Chena River, mingled with the reindeer, and marveled at the treasures housed in the University of Alaska Museum of the North. We've peered into the lives of migratory waterfowl at Creamer's Field and reveled in the artistic beauty of ice sculpting. We've explored the rich Alaskan culture at Morris Thompson Cultural and Visitors Center, stepped back in time at Pioneer Park, and experienced the thrill of a dog sledding tour. Each of these experiences tells a unique story, a piece of the intricate tapestry that is Fairbanks, and while we've just scratched the surface, we hope that this guide has sparked a desire to explore and experience more of what Fairbanks has to offer. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Fairbanks. We hope to see you here soon.